Hi there, my name is Bart from Bartallama3D, and I'm here today to tell you about our radar mounts, now featuring an attachment for both the Radenso Pro M and Radenso DS1 radar units. This radar mount is built on top of our in-house designed radar holder platform, which is made to fit specific vehicles for a perfect fit. This platform here was designed for Tesla vehicles and supports most Tesla vehicles produced after 2021 with the large landscape screen in the vehicle. We are actively working to support more car makes and models with our custom mounting platform. So if your car is not yet supported, please reach out and we can collaborate on creating a platform that fits your vehicle. We also have multiple different radar holders that fit a variety of radar units and are working to expand our selection to support more radar units. Now let's go over the main features of our radar mounts. Our radar mounts hold the radar in place and attach to your center console or screen without obscuring the view from the screen or infotainment system. Mounting tape on the front of the unit is provided to secure the entire mount to the screen to prevent accidental shifting while driving. Integrated cable clips on the back of the unit allow you to run the cables down and away from the screen for a super clean installation. These radar holders come disassembled, but don't worry, assembly only takes about 5 minutes or less. Now let's go over the assembly procedure for our mounts. Inside of your package, you will find 3 3D printed components. The screen base, or sometimes called the platform base, with 4 threaded inserts at the bottom. The screen backer with attached 3M tape. This is the part that creates the right angle between the platform and your specific screen. And the actual radar holder. This is the part that the radar will attach to and hold on to this platform. Inside the package, you'll also find a QR code that takes you to our product page along with this installation video, an alcohol cleaning pad, which you will then use when installing in your vehicle. So I'm going to push those off to the side here. 2 different hex wrenches, a smaller and a larger one. 4 sets of screws, 2 button head, 2 flat head, 5 washers, one of them is a spare, and this larger black flathead screw. Let's start by first building this platform base right here. We're going to go ahead and grab the platform base and we're going to go ahead and attach a screen backer to it in this orientation. The orientation only fits in one direction. In the other direction, you will have a incorrect positioning of this piece. So make sure you install it this way. For this part, we will be using the 2 button head screws. So just make sure you're using button head screws for this assembly. Pop those right in there. Now you don't need to go too tight, just kind of finger tight is good with these. And just a little bit of tightness there so they don't fall out. All right, that concludes the assembly of this platform. Next, we're gonna attach the radar holder on the top. This is actually the correct orientation of that radar holder. And for this part, make sure you're using the flathead screws. The flathead screws hide inside of these grooved holes right on top here, and they prevent the radar from being scratched from the bottom when installing in this holder. I like to usually install by installing this one first, because by installing this screw that's easy to get to, it allows me to get this one that's a little bit harder to get to. Generally, you can install it just by putting it in, but I have big fingers. If you find issues installing this one, I found that putting it on the hex wrench and going from the kind of the upside down direction is helpful, because it'll help you leverage, get it right in there and screw it in, especially if it's falling out or if you have even larger fingers than I do. All right, again, we're just tightening, we're not going too tight. It should be by feel, just kind of finger tight is good. That completes the assembly of the holder. Next, let's go ahead and put the radar in. The radar slides in from the front of the unit like this. Now, this radar sometimes does get caught on this piece of plastic here, where the 2 pieces of plastic meet. It is made for an accurate, perfect fit. So if that happens, you want to just kind of push it through this hump right here on the side to get it to sit flush. We want the radar to sit flush with the bracket. It should look like this. And to complete the installation, we're going to use that larger black screw right on top. We're going to pop it in. I like to always start screwing in by finger and then finish off using this larger hex wrench. For this one too, we're only looking for finger tight. Don't over tighten or you could damage either the radar bracket or the radar itself. And really what we're looking for is just to clear the top of this. We're looking for this not to come loose while driving. I would say that's maybe 1/16 inch below the surface. That concludes the assembly of this radar bracket. You are now ready to go and install it in your vehicle. Now let's go over in-vehicle installation. For this demo, we will be using a Valentine 1 radar unit on our Tesla platform to show how to install the mount and radar in your vehicle. After cleaning the back of your screen with the included alcohol pad, remove the plastic covering on the mounting tape. Align the radar bracket's leftmost side with the on-screen display to center the unit. Hinge the unit onto the screen, pressing down to activate the tape. Plug in the radar's power unit to complete the installation. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found our radar mounting bracket a worthwhile investment for your radar. If you want to learn more about this product and our other products, check us out online at https://bartallama3d.design. There you can find information on where to buy this radar mount, supported radars and vehicles, and our other 3D printed products. We are always working on new and innovative products, so make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for choosing Bartallama3D, and we hope to hear from you soon.